Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Redmi Y3 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can change ringtone in Redmi Y3 smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in Redmi Y3 smartphone and click on sound and vibration. Here select phone ringtone option and enable for both the SIM. Just turn on the settings and you can set individual ringtone for each SIM. First choose online ringtone, select any tone and you go to download the tone and wait for a few seconds. Yes, download is complete and it is added to your phone. You can also choose local files. Click tick mark. Give all permissions. Yes, the selected ringtone has come into your phone, my ringtone. And also you can choose system ringtones. These are all system ringtones. Just keep on any ringtone and go back. Yes, this ringtone is activated. In a similar way, you can set ringtone for another SIM too. The same way you got to follow. You can select ringtone from online or from your local files or the system ringtones. In a similar way, you can set ringtone for message tone. Then set message tone for another SIM too. Just go to follow the same method. And in the calendar sound, the same method you have to follow. And default notification sound is also same method you have to follow for setting a tone. And you can control some tones here, dial pad tones, tap sounds, screen locking sounds, screenshot sound, etc. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye. Take care.